morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. I will see the third chapter algebra, that is first one constant. Any real number is a constant. We can form numerical expression using constants and the fourth arithmetical operations. Example of constant 1, 5, minus 32, 3 by 7, root 2, 8.432, and so on, etc. That is also constant. Any real number is a constant. Okay. Second one, variables. What is meaning of variables? That is, x and y can have different values. They are called variables. That is, thus a variable is a symbol which can have various numerical values. That is any letter that is different values. That is a variable. Okay. Constant means that is only number, numerical numbers, real numbers only constant. Variable means that is different values, x, y, z, p, q, r, anyone, that is a variables. Next topic, algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables combined together with the help of the four fundamental signs. Four fundamental sign means that is plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now example of arithmetic expression are x power 3, that is x cube, minus 4x power 2, that is we called x square, plus 8x minus 1. This is the algebraic expression. Here the value of x means that is variable. The numbers are constant. Okay. Therefore the algebraic expression is variable and constant combined together. That is algebraic expression. Okay. X cube minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1 is an example of algebraic expression. Can you understand? Okay. Next one, coefficients. Meaning of coefficient is any part of a term that is multiplied by the variable. Multiplied by the variable of the term is called the coefficient of the remaining term. Okay. Any term multiple of variable before the variable value is, that is coefficient. Okay. For example, the variable algebraic expression is x square plus 5x minus 24 is an algebraic expression containing three terms. X square is one term, 5x is second term, minus 24 is a third term. We have three terms algebraic expression. The variable of this expression is, what is the variable? Yes, that is x is a variable. Okay. Next, we find the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? What is the before value of x square? That is 1. Therefore coefficient of x square is 1. Next, coefficient of x. What is the before value of x? Yes, that is 5. Therefore coefficient of x is 5. And the constant term, next last term is constant term is minus 24. That is not plus 24. We write value of any symbol. Plus means that is we write 24 only. Minus 24 means minus 10 means we write minus 10. Symbol also write it. That is a constant. Okay. Now see the activity 1. Write the variable, coefficient and constant in the given algebraic expression. Okay. First the given first box is expression, algebraic expression. First one x plus 7. Therefore what is value of variable? X is a variable. Very good. Coefficient before the value of x is 1. Therefore 1. Constant term is 7. Right. What is next term? Next algebraic expression 3y minus 2. Okay. Now what is the variable here? The letters are y. Therefore variable is y. Coefficient before the value of y equal to, what is the value? 3. Yes, therefore that is 3. Constant term is last minus 2. Yes, that is minus 2. Next one 5x square. Okay, algebraic expression are 5x square. What is the variable? What is the letter is? X. Therefore x only variable. Coefficient of x square equal to, before the x value is 5. Therefore that is 5. What is a constant term? Yes, that is no constant term. Therefore constant is 0. Next one, next algebraic expression 2xy plus 11. Here we have two variables x comma y, that is two variables, polynomial. Coefficient of x comma y, that is 2. Constant term is, what is constant term? 11. Okay. Next one minus 1 by 2 p plus 7. Here what is the variable? Yes, that is p only variable. That is one polynomial. Coefficient is minus 1 by 2. Constant term is, yes, that is 7. Next one minus 8 plus 3a. What is the variable is? Yes, that is a. Coefficient of a equal to 3. Yes, 3, that is 3. Next one last constant term is minus 8. Can you understand? That is activity you have tried to your book. Okay. Next, polynomials. What is polynomial? A polynomial is an arithmetic expression consisting of variables and constant that involve 4 fundamental arithmetic operations and non-negative integers exponent of variables. That is, a polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of variable and constants that involve 4 fundamental arithmetic operations. I will see the standard form of a polynomial. We can write a polynomial p of x in the decreasing or increasing order of the power of x. Okay, we write order of x value is decreasing or increasing. This way of writing the polynomial is called the standard form of a polynomial. We see the activity 2, that is question number 1. 5m power 4 minus 3m plus 7m square plus 8. Here not a standard form. We write standard form. First highest degree. What is highest degree? m power 4. First we write 5m power 4. Next degree 4 after we have to write 3. But here 3 is not come. Therefore next term we write 0m square plus 0m square plus m cube plus 7m square minus 3m plus 8. That is a standard form. Next one 2 by 3y plus 8y cube minus 12 plus root of 5y square. Therefore what is the standard form? Highest degree is y cube. Therefore 8y cube. Next term plus root 5y square. Next term 2 by 3y minus 12. That is a standard form. Okay, you try the activity number 2. Third one also the same method. First we write highest degree and then write next descending order degree, or first we write constant, next we write ascending order. Okay, for example first one and second one is given. Next, how to find the degree of polynomial. In a polynomial of one variable the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Okay, polynomial are one variable that is highest power, that is 4x square means that is one variable. What is the power of x value? That is 2. Therefore degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, next one, in case of polynomial of more than one variable, the sum of power of the variable in each term is considered and the highest sum so obtained is called the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Is one variable means that is power of value is degree. In case one or two variable means the sum of the power is highest sum of the highest sum so obtained is called the degree of the polynomial. Can you understand? One variable means that is power of value is degree of the variable. One or two variable means sum of the two powers, that is highest sum value is degree of the polynomial. Okay, so now we'll see example 3.1. Find the degree of each term for the following polynomial and also find the degree of the polynomial 6ab power 8 plus 5a square b cube c square minus 7ab plus 4b square c plus 2. Okay, first we find the degree of each term and then second find the degree of total polynomial. We have so many 1 2 3 variables, a one variable, b one second variable, c third variable, so therefore we have 3 variables. Okay, so find the degree of the polynomial and degree of the each term. Can you understand the question? Okay, solution. First we write given polynomial is 6ab power 8 plus 5a square b cube c square minus 7ab plus 4b square c plus 2. Okay, first we write the each term degree. Take the first term 6ab power 8 as the degree. A power value is 1, b power value is 8, therefore 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Okay, second term is 5a square b cube c square. What are the degree powers are? First a power 2, therefore 2 plus b power 3 plus c power 2, that equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Is 7. Yes, that is answer is 7. Next one, third term is 7ab. What is the power of a value? Is 1, b value is also 1, therefore 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Fourth term is 4b square c as degree. 4b power value is 2 and c power value is 1, therefore 2 plus 1 equal to 3. The last term is constant, is always regarded as having degree 0. 2 power values, a power, that is variable any1 a b c, that is one constant value is the degree is 0. Okay, so therefore degree of the polynomial is 6ab power 8 plus 5a square b cube c square minus 7ab plus 4b square c plus 2 equal to, what is the value of highest degree in the each term? Yes, that is 9. Therefore largest exponent in the polynomial equal to 9. That is answer is 9. Can you understand? That is 2 or more variable means follow this method. Okay, next one, types of polynomials. We have two type of polynomials. First one based on number of terms and second one based on the degree. First we will see the polynomial on the basis of number of terms. Okay, we have three types: monomial, binomial, and last one trinomial. What is meaning of monomial? A polynomial having one term is called a monomial. We have one terms, for example 5, 6m, 12ab. That is a one term. Therefore, that is monomial. Second one, binomial. A polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. Example, 5x plus 3. That is a two term. 5x is one term plus 3 is a second term. Therefore, we have two terms. Trinomial. A polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. For example, see the example, 4x square plus 8x minus 12. We have three terms, 4x square plus 8x minus 12. That is a three terms. Next one, second type, polynomial based on the degree. Okay, degree means constant terms, linear, quadratic, cubic. Constant term, degree power 0. A polynomial of degree is 0 is called constant polynomial. Any constant value, that is a constant polynomial because the degree is 0. Example, 5 minus 7, 2 by 3, root 5. Second one, linear means a polynomial of degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. Example, 4 10x minus 7. Here variable is x. What is the degree of x? Yes, that is 1. Therefore, that is linear polynomial. Quadratic, third one. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example, 2 root 5x square plus 8x minus 4. Here what is the degree of highest degree of polynomial? Yes, that is 2. Therefore, that is quadratic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. Fourth one, a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 12y cube. We have only one term, that is not trinomial. We have to find the based on degree. Therefore, the way degree of y equal to 3, that means that is cubic polynomial. Next one, 6m cube minus 7m plus 4. Here what is degree of m equal to, highest degree of m equal to 3. Therefore, cubic polynomial is 6m cube minus 7m plus 4. Can you understand? That is based on degree. I will see the example 3.2. Classify the following polynomials based on number of terms. Okay, classify the following polynomial based on number of terms. First one, we have 5 questions. First one, 5t cube plus 6t plus 8t square. So how many number of terms here? Yes, 1, 2, 3 terms. Therefore, 3 terms means what is the type of polynomial? That is trinomial. Very good. Next one, second polynomial is y minus 7. Here how many terms? Y minus 7, that is 2 terms. Yes, 2 term means what is the type of polynomial? Yes, that is binomial. Third polynomial is 2 by 3 r power 4. We have, that is only one term. Therefore, one term means what is the type of polynomial is? Yes, that is monomial. Fourth one, 6y power 5 plus 3y minus 7. Here how many terms? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that is 3 terms. Therefore, what is the polynomial of 3 terms? That is trinomial. Last one, 8m square plus 7m square. Here m square, degree is equal. Therefore, we add the two values, 8m square plus 7m square, that is 15m square. Okay. variables are equal and also degrees are equal, therefore we add the polynomial. So 8m square plus 7m square, that equal to 15m square, which is only one term. Therefore one term means what is the type of polynomial? Monomial. Okay, can you understand? Okay, next question, example 3.3. Classify the following polynomials based on their degree. First sum based on the term, this is based on the degree. Okay, we have 4 questions. First one, cube root of 4z plus 7. Here what is the variable? Z. Yes, what is the z power value is? That is 1. Therefore degree is 1. Degree 1 means what is the polynomial? Yes, that is a linear polynomial. Can you understand? Next, second one, z power 3 minus z square plus 3. Here highest degree of z equal to 2 or 3? Yes, highest power means that is 3. Therefore how many degree? 3 degree. So 3 degree means what is the type of polynomial? Yes, that is cubic polynomial. Third one, root of 7. Here any variable? No, only constant. Root 7 is only constant. Only constant means that is degree is 0. Therefore 0 means what is the type is? Constant polynomial. Last one, y square minus root of 8. Here what is the variable? Y. Y power value is 2. Therefore degree is 2. Then what is the meaning of type of polynomial? Degree 2 means that is quadratic polynomial. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We will see the next class.